Welcome to this Dark Escapes tutorial, where you get to hashtag escape with us for a few minutes and learn more about today's music industry. In the next couple of minutes, we'll explain that although master recordings are considered quite distinct from a composition, they are still an important part of music publishing. In previous videos, we have already identified what these terms mean, but today we're going to understand a little deeper how a master, e.g. a master recording, is viewed in the light of music publishing. Let's get started. Each musical work, again which could be your song, has two distinct parts to it, the recording side and the composition side. Let's understand what that means by looking at the recording side first. When a song or melody has been recorded, with or without lyrics, in a format that can be played back or reproduced, it is now considered a master. Don't confuse this with mastering a track to prepare it for commercial release. We will discuss this in another video series when we look at different recording topics. Anyone can make money from selling their master file, whether you put it on a CD, DVD, vinyl, or upload it to a digital format like Spotify, etc. Every time your master is reproduced, it attracts certain royalties that are collected, either by a distributor like Ditto Music, TuneCore, etc., or a collection organisation like APRA AMCOS in Australia. The good news is that if your song is being streamed, you're probably collecting some royalties from that stream. But you may also be missing out on some additional royalties. So let's have a look at the other side to all of this, the composition. The composition is important to music publishers because it refers to the actual melody of a musical work and the lyrics if present. That means the tune or all the notes played in that song you recorded, and of course the lyrics if there are any. While in most cases your local PRO will collect royalties on the composition, your music publisher will also hunt these down for you, especially regarding more international circumstances. However, without music publishing representation, you stand a significant chance of never seeing those composition royalties, especially from international digital streaming platforms. To find out more, be sure to check out our next video, part 2 on this topic, as we look at how digital streams are turned into royalties. Remember, if you want to know more about this topic and many, many more, just click subscribe, then scroll down to find some of the many links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to escape with us.